continue around the monkey. Let's turn the wireframe back on. It's easier to work in wireframe when placing points and then turning the stitches on to see how it looks in the stitch form. And one thing to keep in mind, whenever you see an arc like this, that means you have to place another set of points to finish the series. Like right now I could finish it off right here by left clicking, but I have a couple more points I want to place, and knowing that I have the arc here, I have to finish it right here. And we'll continue around. And it's easier to work in sections than try to do the whole thing in one swift movement, because then you can go back and make changes. Now right here it gets really tricky. I'm probably going to switch to a straight line. Adjustment here. This is probably the hardest part of this whole design. And now we're finished. We'll turn the stitches on. And that looks good there. We can zoom out to see. For the black outline of the monkey, use the satin stitch icon with the arc and Bezier tools. Keep the same satin stitch settings. Change the color to Isocore Black 0020. We're going to choose the satin and Bezier. Well, first let's zoom in a little bit. And satin Bezier, and we're going to start placing our points. If you notice, I'm slightly exaggerating the outline. And that is because the stitches pull in as they're being sewn. So you don't want to place them right on the lines that you see. Let's turn the wireframe on. Let's turn off this color so we can see, and the face color. Now we can see just our black outline that we're working on, and we can make any adjustments here. Another nice thing about using the Bezier with a satin is you can get that thick and thin lines that you see in this drawing easier than using the arc tool. And I think that looks pretty good. Come a little here. Turn our stitches on. That looks nice. The next section is going to start right here. So we're going to need to add a running stitch from here to here, otherwise we'll have a jump stitch up here. Click on the running stitch and straight line and just do a short stitch like so. We're going to zoom in and then start placing your points. Go back to wireframe and we'll zoom out a little bit and we'll just clean that up a little. Now we're going to travel. We're going to have a running stitch travel all the way around here. From here all the way up to here, because then we're going to put a satin stitch coming down this way. This is all part of the pathing process to make the design more production friendly when sewing out, because you don't want to jump from one area or have too many trims in your design. This makes it run faster and get the job done faster too, which is important. So now we'll use our satin stitch to come back down. And then we're going to use a running stitch again, and we're going to go around. The monkey's ear.